I go to different places to get training. I invest in that stuff, man, on the front end. I spent a lot of money driving over to Atlanta and back, man, at the South Phase Energy Institute. I spent a lot of time, guys, on YouTube, man, looking at, researching the housing market, just things that's going on and how I can do things better and how I can be the top of my game. I'm not just, and we get into this black thing, man. If you talk to a lot of black, and guys, I'm not trying to be the best black. I did this on one of my videos, man. I'm not trying to be the best black builder. I'm trying to be the best builder. Kidding about it. And you know something, and just back and let's get on this black and white thing, man. Guys, I'm convinced now when I'm starting to look at this tariff stuff, and I know I jumped off track. I'm convinced now that I think the Chinese market, I've been talking about this Chinese market. I think they have infiltrated our society. They got us fighting one another because when you look at America, man, we have the most diverse population in the world. We got black, white, Asian, Hispanic, everything you can think of right here. And that diversity that we have, it enables us to come up with different things and different ways of viewing things to increase the amount of technology that we create. We're the innovators. We're the innovators because we are so diverse, all under one umbrella. And I'm absolutely convinced now that places like China had done subversion from within to pit us against one another, to keep us fighting, to keep black people hating white people and white people hating black people, poor people. And you guys got to understand, the liberals hate rich people. And Malcolm X used to talk about this, guys. If you guys ever go and look at and read some of Malcolm X grassroots, the one person that he absolutely warned us against was the liberal white person. The liberal, the one that looks like they're on your side, and they out here got us marching and trying to get us to do Black Lives Matter and fight and throw them. Guys, I'm telling you, man, I think it's a psyops job that has went viral. And they got us fighting each other because they are afraid of what we can become. We can become the greatest nation. See, China, you look at China, they got one race. One race. And they got whatever the system they got, the communist China over there, man. They pay them pennies and stuff, and they actually use them to put our steel companies out of business. The government subsidized their guys over there to put our steel businesses out of business. Their government subsidized the steel companies in China. Now, our companies over here got to pay loans. So they got to pay interest on loans. They got to pay this and that. They got to keep their business. They got to advertise, stuff like that. So all that money that additional money they got to pay because they're not getting government subsidies, they have to use that money. They can't get that much profit. They can't compete with China because China's backed up by their government. So their workers can work for dirt cheap. They don't have to pay loans back and stuff like that. So now they did the J.P. Morgan and John D. Rockefeller on us over here. This is what has happened. So, guys, we got, like I said, invest in your knowledge, man, and invest in your knowledge of how to become the best at whatever it is that you're going to be doing, man. I don't care whatever it is your purpose that you're here doing, become the best in that thing, man. So let me talk about this right here, guys. So